Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use dual camera mode on Instagram. Now this is a latest feature from Instagram. It's really fun and a cool and different way to record any of your content, both using the back camera and front camera on your phone. Now let's walk through those steps. I'm going to open up Instagram here, and then I'm just going to swipe over to the right here to bring up the camera. Now, I'm on my story here, and you can see layout at the bottom or middle left here, and there's an arrow pointing down. I can tap on that, and now is a very new feature called Dual. So I can tap on that, and you can see now it is using both my rear camera and my front camera. And I can record something, and it'll record on both cameras at the same time. Once I'm done with that, of course, just the same as any story, I can add text, filters, all that different kind of stuff and post it. And this is a great way for somebody to see both you and what you're seeing and really immerse the user or the viewer in your life or whatever you're experiencing. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.